Hey guys, this is Himanshu here and you're watching Lucky Tech Guru. I'm back after a long time with a new look, and let me know in the comment how does this look looks to you. And I am probably not liking much, but still I just thought that since I have this look, let me record this video. And then yeah, so I'm here back here after a long time. I guess 1.5 months I've been away. I've been taking little care of me as it was needed, and now I'm back with the review. And today we're going to review this phone right here, which is shiny, plasticky, but really a good package for the price, and especially from the brand like Samsung. So we are going to review Samsung A70 on this channel today. So what we get in the box, let's look at it first. And once we open the box, what we get is, here we can see what we get is first thing first, this is a very good earphone that you get in earphone, which are pretty good for the price. It's good to have this in the box itself, so overall the box value increases. And this is a very different kind of charger that you get, and this first 25-watt charger from Samsung that came to India. It comes with not the USB to USB Type-C, but this cable is USB Type-C to Type-C. So yeah, that's what you get in the box. But the good thing is that this is 25-watt charger. And why we needed a 25-watt charger? Because this thing here has the biggest battery so far on any Samsung phone, other than the Millennium series when they had 5000. This is 4500 mAh battery. And let's boot it up. In the meantime, I'll give you the physical overview. So on the left, you get this what we call SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray and see what comes in here. So we get this triple slot, guys. Triple slot here. When you can have two SIM and one SD card. I already have one. And then you on the top you get this secondary mic, and let's peel this one off. It's a very shiny curved one from the corners, if you see. And on the right side you have the volume up and down button, and then you have this one power button. And again, everything shiny. On the bottom, if you see, there is a grill for the speaker, and then you have USB Type-C. So yeah, we have the USB Type-C charger, so we have got here, which supports the fast charging. And here we have our favorite 3.5 mm jack. So that's all about the physical overview. This is built, let's talk about the build quality. So the build quality is basically a plasticky. The frames are also polycarbonate, but they have given the finishing a little bit shiny, so it gives some reflection of the light, if you see, rainbow kind of effect. From front, this has got the Gorilla Glass protection. I don't know whether it's a Gorilla Glass 3 or 4, but definitely not 5 or 6, which are the latest one, but still it feels better. And I always felt that Gorilla Glass previous versions were much better. Nowadays it's more fragile. That's what is my personal experience. And on the front side there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And once we are talking about the camera, let's look at the camera module over here. This is a triple camera setup, one 32 megapixel sensor over here, and then we have ultra wide 8 megapixel, and then we have a depth sensor just 5 megapixel. So yeah, so you get the most important things that you need in today's life is one ultra wide, and then you need what you need is the good sensor with a good megapixel, as in you can, so that you can capture a good detail on the photograph. You can see the display is really vivid, though it is just full HD plus display, but this is really one of the top-notch display that I've seen. And in terms of security, if you see, it has got this fingerprint scanner, which works really, I mean, I'm not fan of this really. See, it doesn't work most of the time, and if it works really slow. So see, it worked, but it does not work that well. You'll have to have the cloth with you or something, you have to always clean this surface and then it's going to work. So in my opinion, they should have gone up with the optical fingerprint scanner if they were not able to provide the speed that it needs for the in-display fingerprint scanner. Again, in-display fingerprint scanner is optical fingerprint scanner, not the one which is there on the S10. So this is all about the basic stuff on the phone, and then let's talk about the storage variant. So it just comes with the one variant, 6 gig and 128 gig version, which in my opinion is good. The RAM management is good. Feels fluid when we are doing any multitasking on this. However, only complaint that I have in terms of speed is the fingerprint scanner. Even the face unlock is not good, not fast enough. I have always disabled that, because once it starts doing, once you just press the power button, what it starts doing is it try to unlock with the face unlock as well as when you put the finger on the fingerprint scanner. Both are waiting for each other, seems, and takes a lot of time. So I always keep this what we call face unlock always disabled, so that I just have to use this. And this is also really bad. I mean, I don't understand. The processor that we have on board is pretty good, Snapdragon 675, which is good enough at least for this kind of stuff of if you see other phones with the same chipset like Realme or what we call Redmi phones, they have the similar, especially Redmi Note 7 Pro has the same chipset, but their fingerprint scanner or face unlock is pretty fast, and this is not acceptable, Samsung. But the most important thing is for media consumption, this is a very good device. For basic stuff, you have the edge, and of course the quality wise, Samsung is good. Only complaint that I have is the fingerprint scanner speed. Now we have software information here, and we can see that it has got Android 9.0, which is pretty good. I think latest all phones are coming up with this thing, and it has got, as I said, 128 gig of onboard storage, out of which you get around 112 gig. And what else? We have 6 gig of RAM. Again, it comes with the One UI of Samsung, which is snappier and faster than the touch which it used to have earlier. So yeah, this is better, but again, I don't want to repeat me again and again, but that's the complaint that I have. Again, I'll show you guys, and really pathetic. Oh, finally it worked? Oh no, it does not. So yeah, finally it worked. So see, if you try to do it faster, it won't work. If you keep it for longer period, yeah. And even one more tip for making it faster, you can just disable the animation. You can just go to setting and you have an option. Just look for the animation, and you will get it. Animation. Okay, I'll show you that option where it is. You just search for animation, and there is a reduce animation option. So yeah, reduce animation, and you can see that I have enabled it. Even after that, it is so fast, rather slow, fast. So whatever. So yeah, that's all you get here, and I'll be showing you some of the pictures now. It's got pretty good camera, pretty decent camera. Let me show you some of the pictures here. What else you get in the box is this TPU case, which is very mediocre quality. You can use this one if you don't have anything else. But since this is a plastic, there's no glass on the back. You can use like this also, but this is very slippery. So what I had used was, I'll be showing you the picture, and I'll be leaving a link to have a carbon screen protector for the back, which gives a pretty good look. You can have a look here. let's talk about the performance. And in terms of performance, I would say this is a pretty good, decent device. You can play PUBG, you can play Asphalt 9. I've played plenty. And in terms of the benchmark score, it has got 1,62,000 on N22, which is, in my opinion, pretty good. Not bad at all. And in terms of the day-to-day task, it is a pretty good device. And the additional thing that it comes with is the Samsung Pay. So normally on the budget or premium budget devices, we have never seen Samsung having full-fledged Samsung Pay. So in this we have an NFC chip, and so we have the Samsung Pay, and I have configured this, and you can use it like this, so pretty good. That's a pretty good. So if you're looking for some not expensive device, but still you love the Samsung Pay, this is a device you can go for. There is no other device. Alright, so overall I would say it's a pretty good device with some flaws, and let's talk about the price. Price is pretty high, 28,990 rupees. I feel this, if they would have removed this in-display fingerprint scanner, which is obviously useless, so then probably, and if they would have added here optical fingerprint scanner, probably this would have been a good device, and they could have launched it for say 20,000 bucks, and this would have been pretty good, pretty awesome device. But this is what we have. It's not a bad device. If you compare it with the Oppo F11 Pro or any of the competitor, probably or Vivo 15 Pro, they all come up with the similar configuration, though one Oppo F11 Pro has got that pop-up camera, etc., that you don't have here, but then you have the fingerprint scanner here. So yeah, I mean, those are the compromises, but they are the direct competition for this device. I feel that M40 is coming, that could be better. I'm not very sure, but yeah, I think today it is launched. So but then again, they do not have the Samsung Pay. If you are looking for Samsung Pay in the device, then this is the one only available. So that's all I would say. Thank you very much for watching it. Have a good day. And soon I'll be coming back with the Oppo Reno X. You can look at my Twitter handle. You can look at me on my Instagram. I'm posting the Reno pictures every day, which I'm taking. I'm right now testing. It's extremely good phone for the value that it offers, the amount that is you spend. So looking forward to see you there, and I'll keep coming back more than quickly as opposed to what the time I've taken in the last video and this video. Thank you very much, guys, and if you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and as well as if you want to keep this channel running, if you like the videos, you can become the patrons. I'll be leaving the link in the description over here, and as well on the card here. You can donate some amount, become my patron to run this channel. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.